here from alliesblog.ca. Today I'm going to share with you my April favorites. I know it's been a little bit late and I haven't been really doing these kind of videos, but I kind of forgot about them, I guess. So I thought I would share with you the stuff that I've been using for the month of April that I've really kind of enjoyed using and kind of go-tos and going back tos and stuff like that. I used to do these videos in the past, but I haven't done them in a really long time. But anyways, so we're going to go through some different products that I have been loving for the month of April. Sorry, it's a little bit late, but it's here now. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. So we're gonna start off with some polishes that I've really liked using. These are pretty new that I've got still. So this is one of Painted Polishes. This is Rainbow Recruit. It's just like a white, like creamy polish that has some beautiful rainbow flecks in there, so I've really enjoyed that. It's been a really good base that I found for like stamping and stuff like that. Then I also enjoyed a painted polish, and this is Rainbow Renegade. This is part of her newer launches that I've enjoyed. So this one also has the rainbow flakes in it. I'm really a sucker for these flakes right now. Anything that has these kind of rainbow flakes or different flakes, I've just like really wanted. So that's kind of what brought me in on these. So that is two polishes that I liked. Then I also really enjoyed this Bluebird lacquer. I got this in my Manny box. I really love this color. So this one is called Someone Macaw 911. You may have already seen this a couple of times in some of stamping designs. Sorry guys. It is really pretty. I really like it a lot. So that is one of the polishes. Again, I got that from in one of my Manny boxes. Then some stamping polishes that I've been really enjoying are these Hit the Bottle polishes. So first I'll start off with this one. I really love this one. I also got this in my Manny box. This one is Peacock Shimmer. I'm sure you've seen me use this a lot. Every time I use it, I just love the color. It's gorgeous. And it stamps really well, and it's a really nice one. And then I also enjoyed these Hit the Polish. These are like the jelly ones. You use them for like lead lighting or reverse stamping. You can kind of fill in the stuff. So this one I got here. This one is Bumblebee, so it's a nice transparent kind of yellow. They work really well for water marbling as well. I've also used that. You may have seen me use them. And then I got this one here, which is called Fireball, a reddish orange. Sorry, all my polishes are super tight today. So that is that one. And then I've enjoyed this purple here. I also used them for a stained glass Manny I did a little while ago. This one is Purple Hooter. It's kind of like a reddish kind of purple, but all of them are really nice. They are like pretty transparent, but they are great for filling in stamps. So I really enjoyed those stamping polishes. And then a stamping plate that I've also just recently got not too long ago is the Summer Vibes by Muyu London. And this one is the number 2. I thought it was really neat. I really liked this one. I was trying to choose between the two, and I liked this one better. I love the way it stamps. I really like Muyu London in general, and I just like all the different designs on this one. So really cool. And then some base coats, top coats that I enjoyed. I've been using this Sally Hansen Insta Dry top coat. It actually dries pretty quick, and it works out really well for doing like a quick design and makes your polish dry faster. So there you go. And then I've also enjoyed, I think I've probably mentioned these before, Bio Seaweed Gel. This is the No Wipe top coat. I really like that one. Then I realized I had this other base coat. This is the No Standing base, and I really enjoy this one because it actually, the gel doesn't seem to like peel off my nails as quick as it does with the other one. So I've really enjoyed this base coat compared to the other one. And yeah, I think that is it for this video. So there's a bunch of different products that I actually enjoyed for the month of April. I've also been using some of these in May as well, since we're already in May, which is crazy. But if you like these kind of videos, let me know, and I'll definitely be doing them hopefully more in the future. Maybe I'll do one for May. But yeah, so everything, that is all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.